Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a BeetleWing from Wings of Fire. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our BeetleWing, let's begin with the eye. I'm going to begin right here, and we're just going to make a little line that's going to curve up and down. And then a little line that's going to curve down and up. Then we'll make a little line in there for the pupil. And we'll color in most of it, leaving a little white. Next, I'm going to bring this line up and down, and we're going to bring this really high up. Then we're going to bring this down and make it nice and skinny. Next, for the horn, we're going to bring this line up and add some curves on it. Then we're just going to bring this line back down. Now, right here, we're just going to make a line that's going to come up to a point and back. Then we're going to put a couple little points on here and a little line across there. Next, we're going to curve this line down and up. And then we're going to bring this line down. We're going to go up and down, and then up and down here. We're going to do a little line here with a little curve. I'm going to bring this line out, and we're going to curve it in and bring it up. Next, we're going to bring this line around for the ear and down. And we'll put a little curve on there. Now let's make the other antenna. Let's just make a line that's going to curve up and down. And then for the horn, we're just going to make this a little wiggly, come to a point, and then down here. Now we're going to make a little line right between the horn and the ear. And then we're going to curve this line down to here. Then we're going to curve this line down to here. For the leg, we're going to make a line that's going to come out and then back. Then we're going to make this line come down here. We're going to go up and down to a point for one of the claws. And then another one right here. Next, we're going to go down, make a claw, and then bring it up. I'm going to bring this back and up here. Then we're going to make some little claws here. Next, I'm going to curve this line up. And we're going to make a little notch right there for one of the claws. Then we're going to bring this line up here to a little point, and we're going to bring it all the way back. We want to keep it nice and skinny. We're going to make a little bump there. Let's make another one here that comes out nice and skinny, and we're going to bring it back. And then one here, bring it out nice and skinny, and bring it back. We're going to bring this down, bring it out and around, and bring it down here. Now before we make the inside parts here, let's make this other kind of second wing that's coming out of here. So we're going to start right here at the bump, and we're just going to curve this up and make that little claw in there again. Then we're going to curve this down and bring this to here. Connect that line there. Then we're just going to bring a line that's going to come up to here. We're going to make a line here and then kind of curve it in there. I'll actually make this line a little bit longer. Then right here, we're going to make another little line that's going to come down and up. Then we'll connect this, and then we'll connect this with a curve. Now starting here, we're going to go over. We're going to come up to about here. We're going to make this come down and then back. We're going to make this come down at an angle. For the claws, we're going to make a line that goes up and down to a point, and we bring it back. One here, and one here. We're going to bring this over and up with a little claw. Bring this to here, and then bring it up for the back leg. Then we're going to make this line come down, and we're going to curve it around. We'll make a little line here, and then a little skinny curve line there. Then we're just going to bring this tail back, and we're going to bring it nice and big up to here. Now, starting here, we just want to connect this line there. And then we're going to add some spikes back here. So we're just going to add some of the different spikes on here. Just like that. Then we're going to add some spikes right along the back here. Just making nice, skinny little spikes right across here. And then right across here, we're just going to make some little, kind of quick little dash lines to make like a scale texture. We'll do it on this one too, just some quick little dash lines. We're also going to make it right along the leg. We'll also do it right along this leg too, just some quick little dash lines. We'll put little curves on the claws. Right here, we're just going to make a line that's just going to curve down. And we're going to make some little curves right across the neck here. And then we're just going to make some big curves coming right across here for some scales. And then we'll add like these little kind of like small scales in here. I'm going to make some quick little dashes right on here too, on the stomach. And then we're going to make some little dashes coming right down the tail. Just kind of give it that scaly texture. And then we're going to make a line that's just going to come right down the tail like this. And we give it some more little dashes. Now inside of here, we're just going to make some little lines. So I'm just going to make a line that's just going to curve up to here. And then we're going to make a couple little lines that curve here to kind of give that butterfly wing look. We'll do a couple here, and one here. We'll do one up here, and one here. And then we're going to do some quick little curve lines on the horns to give it a little bit of texture. And then a couple little lines right along the face. And a little curve here and here. And there you go, there is your drawing of a BeetleWing from Wings of Fire. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.